Hey, welcome. I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing video today. First, I want to show you this is a Pixel controller I have. It's the P8 controller, I believe. You can buy. What was the name of that website? The website. Uh, no, it wasn't BeagleBone. I'll have to link the website. I can't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but it's mounted on a BeagleBone Green down here, and I have my SD card with Falcon Player on it. This is what I'll be running my pixels with this year. This board hole can handle up to 800 pixels. It has a switch for 5 volt or 12 volt. I have it set to 5 volt. And it's got this little LCD display on board battery for to keep the time. Your RJ45 jacks, power fuses, pretty standard. One expansion port, sorry, not two expansion ports. One expansion port that you can use to add another, I think it's another board for 700 pixels. Alright, but then I get for the important stuff. I got my order in from Ray Wu today. This is the bag. I think I do a little unboxing. Alrighty. Get the stuff out of the bag. Oh, he taped the styrofoam around here too. That's cool. I'm gonna go get my scissors. I set scissors over here. Alrighty. So. Ooh. Always be careful when opening these packages with scissors, because they're all lights in here and wire. You don't want to cut them by accident. That'd be an expensive mistake. Well, got one part of it open. It made sure these aren't going anywhere. I mean, this isn't really stuff that I would consider to be fragile. I'm surprised it's taped this well. Let's see here. Alright, that's all the tape. Alrighty, so. This is a little thing of caps. My pigtails, male and female. Oh, okay, I thought it was 5 and 5. It's 10 and 10. That's even better. Two T connectors with the port for power injection. And now, for the really cool stuff, the pixels. So, okay. There we go. So these are 4 strands of 5 volt pixels. They have an odd smell to them. I never expected to have that kind of smell. They have that connector on them. And they have 2 connectors like this. I'm not quite sure what how they work. Let me go ahead and take the rubber band off of one real quick. Put the phone down for a second. where I was thinking a bit better idea. Okay, so it has the connector on each end, and I guess this is actually for power injection. Cool, I've never noticed that before. I didn't expect that. Got the bullet style. I'm gonna try to see if the camera would focus to give you guys a view of the chip, but that's all. Nice little order. It's all that stuff together, like kind of the controller with the shipping was like $68. It's like those 60, I think 66. It was 32 for the actual price stuff, and then 36 or 34 for the shipping. Yep. That's it. We'll give you a quick little run through.